What's good, YouTube? American RX at it again. So earlier I was discussing about the documents that I take with me everywhere I go. Um, those are certified copies, of course, from the recording office. Um, I those I use just in case I get approached by mercenaries, as I reserve the right to self-identify with my ancestors. Okay, no one can tell me who I am. You know what I'm saying? I know who I am, so I determine that. Okay. Um, yeah. So people, it's time to come together as a people. You know what I'm saying? We are from different tribes, yes, nations. You know what I'm saying? Of Indians. You know what I'm saying, but we are really one people. That's why we have out of many one people, right? We are all under attack. Okay, the land, the Americas, is under colonial occupation. We've been at war since they came here. I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? So they, paper genocide, all that, switching up identity, putting us all across the waters. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's time for us to stop the nonsense and get real and realize what's going on. This whole virus situation that's going on, it's not by chance, any coincidence. It was planned out. They probably knew that at this time we was gonna come back online, know who we are, claim back the land. So they have to come up with different tactics, you know what I'm saying? So my people, you know what I'm saying, out there, stop the tribalism, man. We gotta come together as a people, you know. And I'm not saying all of us are gonna get along, but we have the same thing in common. We are under occupation, paper genocide, poison. The poison in the air, the water. They usurp the land, the resources. They're selling it back to us, which is our land, our resources. They're selling it back to us and taxing us crazy. And also that census, as Indians, you know what I'm saying, you should avoid the census. Use the public record. You know what I'm saying? If you find out your ancestors, your paperwork, your documents, you go put it on the public record. And I'm saying, gather everything, create an affidavit, put it on the public record. I'm saying that's the best way to do it by yourself, as self-identity. Don't let them do any census on you, because you're not to be taxed, you're not to be enumerated as Indians, as people of the land. Well, if you're not of the land, well, that's different. But if you know you have blood ties to this land somehow,